Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing assets in Canvas so you can work fast. Open your editor and create a 1:1 canvas at your chosen size, for example 512 x 512. Import the avatar PNG and any logo or decorative elements. Make sure backgrounds are transparent. Once assets are placed, create separate layers: avatar, frame base, accents. Position the avatar centered and lock that layer. This avoids accidental moves while you design the frame around it. Now you design the frame itself, focusing on both function and aesthetics. Draw a vector ring with a clear inner cutout that matches the avatar area, then apply a 6 to 18 px stroke depending on canvas size. Use layer styles, inner shadow and highlight, or a subtle radial gradient to add depth. Make masks to prevent the frame from overlapping facial features. Once done, add small accents like icons or badges, and group components for easier adjustments later. Finish by exporting and verifying your frame in real context so it actually works. Export a PNG with transparency and create scaled 1x and 2x variants for different platform requirements. Test the frame over light, dark, and patterned backgrounds to ensure visibility of key details. If the frame looks misaligned in mockups, don't panic. Enable guides and nudge layers by 1 or 2 px, then re-export. Make sure the border isn't clipping the avatar at common display sizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.